Hello, my name is Ellen Preisinger, and I'm a realty specialist with the Division of Lands and Minerals. I am presenting on Section 7, covering maintenance of existing utility lines. In this section, we will be talking about maintenance of existing utility lines and what to provide with a maintenance request. When an existing utility corridor over state land needs to be cleared, mowed, or the infrastructure replaced, this is known as a maintenance activity. Maintenance is specified in the terms of the license. Refer to the license for allowed types of maintenance activities. The DNR requests 20 business days to review proposed maintenance activities, starting when the correct information is received, and assess any resource concerns for the state's land. We will need the proof of land rights. Please provide license number or send a copy of your recorded utility line easement. Where no land rights exist, the utility company is required to apply for a license for the existing corridor. Please include clear maps and legal descriptions. Describe the work to be done and the expected timeline for the project. Resource staff may specify a modified timeline to protect resources. For example, no tree work can be done during bird nesting season. Use of state land is prohibited. A lease is required for any use of state land outside the utility corridor.